Comrades and friends, how are you? Now, there is panic within the faction Yezhigananda. Apparently, Mnangagwa is not doing so well, and nematarisiro ava vachiita nezviri kuitika zvacho havisi kubalansa, and therefore they feel they might not have the time yavaitarisira kuti vanayo, and therefore they've started holding meetings at Tagwire's offices, unlike the setup here before where they would hold my meetings kuPrikup Farm. Izvi zvakuitwa kuoffice kwaTagwire. Now, they are pushing for cabinet reshuffle, and then also a reshuffle within party structures. Chris Mutsvangwa arunzi ndiye anofanira kuita chairperson weparty replacing Mai Muchinguri. Mai Muchinguri arunzi amunhu wavice president Chiwenga. Then Chris Mutsvangwa arikunzi aitwe futi minister of information, meaning kuti sei vana Jenfan vakashandiswa zvine zvatodhakwa nguva yavo inenge yatopfuura. Why? They are trying to push and put in place people which they feel kuti they will attack Chiwenga directly. Youth, they are going to either put Tungwarara, Minister of Youth, either Tungwarara kana Paradza. Ndo mazita ari kuda kuappointwa yaya, either of the two for Ministry of Youth. Then also Minister of Energy, July moyo ari kuda kuzorodzwa. Now, why does Minister of Youth ari kuda kuchinjwa? Ari kuda kuchinjwa because they feel Tinoma Chakaire did not really mobilize my youth towards Vision 2030 term extension. And also in a conflict iri business interests, the same business interests anatagwire are the same business interests dzina Tinoma Chakaire, so they feel they need to take him out and remove him from the political matrix. And also Tagwire wants to prove a point yekuti ndo chibaba kudarika tin make, because vese dzese imbinga guys, and you see now. So July moyo arida kuzorodzwa, July moyo azorodzwa pobva paiswa kuda kwaChitagwire yoitwa Minister of Energy, with the aim of at some point very soon ipapa appoint him into the Politburo. Now munhu wese ari kuitwa a key player ari kunzi ari kufanira kuhita VP Chiwenga head on, kwete zvokuti munomborova muchitenderera, kana to make sure they cover ground as far as isolating General Chiwenga is concerned and eventually dealing with him. State Security Minister Matuke akuzorodzwa. Matuke arunzi is too soft, he doesn't have stamina, ane a bit of some respect, anochika mudhara Chiwenga, so arunzi Matuke ngazorore pobva paunzwa Muda is known to be a killer. They see him as a ruthless guy. Also looking at my generals afudzwa through maoko ake, they feel kana ambopfudza more than 20 haazombotadzi kudila ne1 person who happens to be General Chiwenga. So they've robbed him in. You're going to see him becoming the Minister of State Security and Minister of Sport. Themba Mliswa ndiye ari kuda kuiswa ipapo. Then Mudara Sanyatwe obva azorodzwa. Why? Mudara Sanyatwe is a strong ally of Vice President Chiwenga. They're more like brothers, so they tried everything to try and lure General Sanyatwe to the camp of the Ziganandas, but General Sanyatwe wakaramba, so they want to resign him vogadzira timu yavo yebhora. So this is how it stands, and they need to implement this strategy as soon as possible.